Hello, today I am going to solve this question as shown in figure. This is asked in SSCJ 2015. They asked what will what will be the equivalent resistance across the point P and Q. As you know, if two resistance connected in series, then equivalent resistance of those resistance will be R is equal to R1 plus R2. If n resistance connected in series, then R1 plus R2 plus R3 and so on. You can add all the resistance which are connected in series. If two resistance connected in parallel, then you can say the equivalent resistance of these two resistance will be R1 R2 upon में R1 plus R2. So now solve this question with the help of these two formula. As you know, in basic 10th standards, so here you can say this point A, this point B, there is counted 1 ohm, and you assume this is the point C. When you talk about AB resistance, AB and BC, these are in series. So what will the equal resistance? 1 plus 1 is equal to 2 ohm. Then you can say there is a 2 ohm resistance connected across AC. So now you can say across the AC there are two resistance of each 2 ohm. So you can assume these are in connected in parallel. So what will be the equal resistance according to this formula? R is equal to R1 R2 upon me R1 plus R2. So RAC is equal to 2 multiply 2 upon me 2 plus 2 4. So what will be RAC? RAC will be 1 ohm. Okay, this 4 is above, so this is the 1 ohm below. Okay, so you can assume this whole system is equivalent to 1 ohm. Now same philosophy comes again, 1 ohm and 1 ohm equivalent to 2 ohm. Now what will be the RPQ? RPQ is equal to, again 2 and 2 ohm is connected in parallel. Then again solve this, 2 upon 2 is equal to 2 upon 2 upon 4. Then what will be the equivalent equal to 1 ohm? Then option A is correct. For more videos, you can subscribe my channel. If you like this video, you can like my channel. Thank you for now.